media.
One Uganda, one people, one people, one Uganda. Oye. Oye.
And so we will not have a leadership. Under the law, we can be deregistered. Don't help Erias Lukwago to have this party deregistered. Erias Lukwago is known for killing political parties. He killed DP when he announced a parallel leadership. He found the DP was not deeply rooted. He now wants to kill FDC. But the roots of the FDC are very deep. And I wish him luck. By the way, Jack Sabit is now our new chairman. He's the new chairman of the FDC. Ambassador has no place. I'm sorry for him. He will have to wait for 5 years and come back to compete again. Not using funny methods. You get into the leadership through the front door, not through the ventilator. Won't allow that. You are the National Delegates Conference. We can even amend our constitution to accommodate some of our leaders who feel left out. We can amend it, bring them in so that they may participate in deliberations of the party. But first we are going to sit down and talk and understand each other. In politics, never say never. In politics, there is no permanent friend, there is no permanent enemy. Somebody you may be fighting today might be your friend tomorrow, but certainly not Museveni. Not that man. Because that one can't talk to, whether you like it or not, whether you lie flat on the ground and allow him to walk over you. He's going to be the same enemy against the people of this country. We have a list, to know who is coming from Kitagwenda, who is coming from Chenjojo, and you will be accredited accordingly. We are not going to behave like Katonga. That went for people from Katwe, people from Kasokoso, from Wino, from Kisenyi, to come and shout and say we have removed these leaders. Reach the stage when we say, doctor, if you want to do your activism, come and let's sit in Najanankumbi together. Said, I won't come there. I want to work with the other people, forces of change. And now you want us to bring our secrets and give our secrets to Nup. We are not stupid. We can't accept that kind of thing. Because you want to cooperate, you want us to show Nup where our people in Bunyangabwa so that they may come in the night and influence them and take them away from us. How shall we be paid for the sacrifices that we have been given if we are going to surrender our party to other people? So, that issue of bad money has caused a lot of disagreements in the party between our leaders. It has led the development of two camps, the camp of Poa and the camp of Nandala and Besije. Now, my question is that once you are re-elected as the party president, what are the strategies are you likely to bring forward so that our party is reorganized, reunited, so that we can stand strong, confront other political parties in the forthcoming 2026 general election? Because in Kiswahili they use it to say that wahenga na wahunguzi hawakukosea kusema umoja wetu ni nguzo zetu. United we stand and divided we fall.
The bad money because of the conflict of the interest. And that the bad money they are talking about, was it the beginning, because I heard that they were talking about that the bad money you used it to campaign for presidential election the other time. All 3 years from the other time, where was the noise? Where was that noise didn't start from the beginning? Now we are going to, if we elect you back to the office of the president, what are you going to do with the other people? which was with the other group, which was because there was a ministerial post, chairmanship, what.
Our friends sitting on the 19th of this month in Katonga sat in violation of a court order. We do not as a party want to be picky about this, drag them to court over contempt of court. I am sure that the judicial system is aware of what happened, but at the same time we cannot stop any interested party, including some of our members, taking especially those who were deeply involved in this activity to court for contempt of court. So time will tell us whether this is going to happen, but I believe institutionally we are not going to do this because we do not want to inflame a situation that is already really tearing us apart.